Yes, we are live. Welcome back, my dear friends. This is day number 2 on Global Healing Carnival. How does it get any better than that? So, we are coming back to you once again, sharing everything that happened yesterday. So, for me, of course, yesterday, Global Healing Carnival, it was day 1. This is like a 2-day event, and today is the second day. And yesterday, personally, for me, I'm a practitioner healer registered on Global Healing Carnival, and I have given 5 sessions for 5 different people. And for me, it was like, for me, the major difference and change is I haven't been offering a lot of private healing sessions, and I've never done morning to evening private healing, one-on-one sessions. So for me, yesterday was like first time experience. I'm like, wow, one-on-one. And all of these 5 people who come in, for me, I had been mostly working with healers and I kind of know what issues they usually come up with and I was doing. But this time it was like normal people. Normal people means non healers. And people coming in with stating, hey, I have this business I'm running and money is not coming in that business. Or, of course, I had been already always working on money. So it was such a beautiful, amazing experience to for me to know that hey, all my money knowledge and education, I can now share it with non healers as well. And that can change their lives. And all of them, some of them after the session was literally like in tears. They were like, wow, this much can happen in 30 minutes. And I was just like, wow, yes. That was my experience. And now I give up to my team. What was your experience? Who wants to get started?
I'll just start with mine. So
Yes,
I would
Sunita.
go, with on those same lines, a bit similar to what Vishnu said, because even I have been, taking sessions for at least 2 hours, so that I get into the deep issues and offer the clients whatever they are looking for. And yesterday, like I guess this was for the first time that we had to offer a 30-minute session to our clients, because usually I mean at least 30 minutes or 45 minutes is spent with the client to understand what are they looking for, and what is it they would like to receive from us. So I that's the time we usually spend with the clients initially before even starting the session. And yesterday it was like the moment the client appears on the screen, like I guess I have not even mentioned which modality I use. It's like, okay, I just felt the client has to just receive the best in these 30 minutes. So I'm just like, okay, now let's get on. Like, what is it that you want to work? Okay, now let's not waste time. Let's get into the session. 30 minutes, like it was so instant. It was like I was comparing it with Maggie. 2 minutes, Maggie gets instantly cooked. So that is the session, that the energy of the session was it's so instant. Okay, what is it? And it was constantly, okay, this, and it was in 30 minutes. I was surprised that okay, 30 minutes, and the client was feeling, oh, it's a mind-blowing session. That is the response that I was getting. And the same thing, in 30 minutes such a mind-blowing session is possible. So I guess now I would cut down on the time, chatting with the client and asking what their problem is and getting into the drama, I guess.
Absolutely. And
So
how
it
was,
has been a
yeah, did you receive sessions as
I
well, Sunita?
I offered 6 sessions yesterday and I received one.
Uh-huh. And how was your
So
receiving?
it
How was the session you received, Sunita?
pardon?
How was the session that you received? And whom did you
Oh yeah,
receive
yeah, yeah.
sessions
I
from?
received a session from Timty, and it was good. He had actually used the body emotion code and body code, and I mean, it was good. I mean, I experienced it for the first time, so I would really say it's been a wonderful opportunity, wherein all these years we have been just offering, and yesterday when we were receiving the healing, and that too from some different modalities, it's been an awesome experience, I would say.
Yes, and looking forward. Today you might have more sessions, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm looking forward to receive more sessions today.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so who wants to go next? Shubha, yes, unmute yourself.
Uh, I had a very different experience yesterday because I was working with the people whom I don't know. And it was really like I was just telling them, okay, have water, lie down and experience the sound. So they were like, they were so means they were experiencing it, and like after the session, they were like, okay, yeah, it was very good. Like they were not able because they were into that zone of sound,
Mm.
and I could feel that I was flowing with them with that sound. I could feel that experience, like different with different people, different way I was working. This experience I didn't have before. I used to just play, but now I could feel the experience. Okay, with each and every person, there was a different experience which I was going through myself. And I had my session with Jackie for my dog, Dash, and the way she worked with him was like, oh, so many things I could understand, which he is also going through, the emotions and everything. And the belief she worked for him was like, okay, excellent it was. I was very happy with that. And I worked for myself for uh, Rose, yeah. And she worked on me for the body code. And so many emotions were stored, which she removed it. And I was myself very shocked. Okay, this also things happen with ourselves, who we being a healer, even we go through that.
That's emotion code, right? Karen Rose.
Yeah, she did with the body code because I have a pain
Body
in
code.
my right elbow. So she worked with that, and I had a really a very good experience.
Wow, wow. How does it get any better than that? And yes, Shubha was a person, of course, she's a sound healer and she had been only working with her family members. This is the first time I've like put her
Yeah.
into the world. Just get out of the house now. And yes. Okay, so who wants to go next?
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubha. Yes, Biju.
I have session at 9.
Biju is a very busy person. To get him for 5 minutes on cameras, like, yes, Biju, go ahead.
Yeah, yesterday I started with lot of trouble. I already shared with you, and here no in Ahmedabad, electricity was not there in my flat up to 1 o'clock, and my camera went off. But after you cleared, no, then 12 o'clock I received a new camera, and 1 o'clock that electricity came, and till then I took 2 sessions on my mobile. Then after that, no, it was just like flow of clients, and every interaction was superb. And I got a client from Dubai also, and last client was just 3 kilometers away from here. And see, globe is becoming so small for us, and we made it.
Wow. What a testimony for
And
Global Healing Carnival here. Yes, go ahead.
yes, globally. And all the sessions I enjoyed thoroughly. And I didn't feel that I attended 9 sessions, and in between I called also. I got a client out of this DHC also, and total 10 sessions, and it was super amazing. It was just a flow, and I could display my all the t-shirts I bought, and
Yeah, so basically, all of you, my dear viewers here, Biju has bought 14 t-shirts, and for each session, he's wearing different t-shirts, and he's sending us pics with his clients. Each pic has different t-shirts. So you're gonna see that we are gonna collect all these images and gonna put out into the world, and you will see Biju with 10 different avatars with different t-shirts. Yes, Biju, go ahead.
and I got 2 bookings for my money book facilitation for next batch.
Right. So out of the 9 sessions you did, you got 2 paid clients out of the free sessions you gave. Yes.
Yeah. And in the night, I took a personal session with Jane Jackson. It was super amazing. Cell memory clearance and all. And she helped me a lot with clearing all those stuffs which I had in my body cells.
Wow. And today you have more receiving sessions as well.
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll have more news on, the receiving different modalities on the same day. So I'm looking forward to that, from all of you tomorrow. Who wants to go next? Thank you, Viju.
You all can bless me. So I have 9 sessions today.
Here is your blessings, 9 sessions and 9 paid clients. What did it take for that to happen? Everything
Thank
the
you.
way of
Thank
it. Let's spot and park that.
What is this?
It's like
Thank you.
magic,
Thank you. Thank you.
magic, blessings, Biju. Yes. Who wants to go next?
Yes, so yesterday it was actually a very wonderful day. I mean, feeling that you are fully booked, and even in that, after like every 30 minutes there were sessions, but it was such a crisp session that whatever information came from them and whatever information we gave them, it was like a few sentences, but it was enough for both of us to go ahead with the session. And completing the session in 30 minutes was like really fun and magic. In fact, whatever came in, whatever awareness, even the client had that energies, they went with that, and they picked up whatever was necessary for them. So it was a beautiful learning, of course, to have such sessions. And yes, I received one session yesterday morning. So it was with Jasa, and it was really beautiful. She took me through a meditation with my inner self and my higher self. And that was a beautiful start for my day, where then afterwards it was really easy, and that joy came in to work with the clients. So everything was flowing very fluently, and it was happening so beautifully. And whole day was like, I was very energetic. Wow, there's a next session. Wow, there's a next session coming up. So that was the beauty of the Global Healing Carnival yesterday. And with all the feedbacks that we have been getting on the WhatsApp group, it was like other people who have not taken the sessions, they were like, yes, we want to. Yes, they were now starting to inquire what this Global Healing Carnival is all about. So answering them was also it was actually very fun.
Beautiful. So we have enough
Yes.
people for the next Global Healing Carnival waiting ready.
Yes.
And for me also, Antara, like when my last session, the 5th session came up, and the client was like, "Oh, you must be very tired. You might have been doing sessions throughout the day." And I was like, "Am I tired?" There
Yes.
wasn't.
Yes.
It didn't feel so. It was like, "Hey, I'm going in this beautiful ride." So that was the energy. Yes, thank you, Antara and Mahima.
Yeah, for me, it is a very different experience. I mean, I think I always thought, that I'm not a healer, and I'm coming from a different background, and all that blockages I had in my mind before. But when I started, I had 12 sessions yesterday with all healers. They were all, yeah, out of them, 11 were healers only, and one was non-healer. And the experience was amazing, because I always, they are very much aware of about the emotions and what is going in the body. But I was like, first time, I was very comfortable talking about my science, my knowledge, that what can, nutrition, exercise, sleep, and how it is affecting your health, your body, and how you can, heal it in that terms as well. Because healing is required at all levels, not only, like all these stress management, meditation, healing is really important, but then it comes to other things as well. And then they were very much interested in that part, because they already told me that, we do body code, we do emotion code, we do theta healing, we are very much aware about our emotions, we don't want to know about that. But they were much more interested about intuitive eating, how it works, and how it is different from, mindfulness, and how it is different from what we do. So, and how it is affecting like food psychology. So it was really interesting, and it helped me to, open up more. And because I was more comfortable at that space, rather than going into, questioning them and asking them, okay, this is the thing which is bothering you. So that was really good, and I just really enjoyed it. And this Global Healing Carnival gave me opportunity to get more clients. And yesterday I booked one client as well, paid client, and she is nearby. I mean, we live nearby, and so luckily it's like a big world, but she is from my place only. And I'm so excited to start working with her. And also I would say that, this with Vishnu, I shared with her before as well, that my journey has been amazing. I told multiple times, but this platform has given me what the purpose I had in my life. So right now I feel that I'm fully booked in 2 days, and I'm also fully booked for the month. So I got my clients, I got exactly the money I was looking for. This is what I want to receive for a month, and this is what clients I want. And kind of clients I wanted. So it is something, aligning together. So yesterday I was in a giving mode, because most of the time I'm receiving and taking all the good things from Antara, Sunita, Viju, and Shobha, and yes, of course, Vishnu. So these receivings has opened up a lot of opportunities. And yesterday I was just,
Give everything. And I can imagine, Mahima, how, for you, Mahima is obviously an intuitive eating coach, and I know Mahima had been working with normal people, and for the first time, 12 people all from the healing space, they might be receiving the session differently. And I'm looking at the time as well. I know some of you have 9 a.m. sessions, so I'll let you all go enjoy thoroughly today as well, and create magic in this world. And we'll come back tomorrow for today's feedback. Thank you all.
Thank
Have a
you.
beautiful
Thank you.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.